Up first this evening, players in the local construction sector are urging the authorities to act immediately to avert tragedies along corridors that are part of the legacy projects.
The calls follow more flooding in the corporate area on Tuesday. DWAYNE Anderson has this report.
Flood waters on the streets of Kingston and St. Andrew Tuesday afternoon. Commuters left to wait it out or wait it out. It is becoming a recurring theme in the corporate area since work began on the legacy projects. The situation has not escaped the attention of some major players in the construction industry who believe the problems may be bigger than just blocked drains.
With it is that the capacity itself for the drainage system has been diminished because of poor maintenance, for argument's sake. I usually see when we have significant rainfall, there's usually a large amount of debris in our harbours because effectively most of our drains end back in our harbours. And I suspect that may be the main reason why.
President of the Architect Association, Christopher Liu, is particularly concerned about the safety of pedestrians using the corridors where work sites have been impacted by flood rains.
When it rains, the excavations collapse and the caution tape, what you call safety barriers, collapse in the trench. And there's public safety issues that need to be addressed by both the contractor and the executing oversight body, which is National Works Agency. I think public safety is critical, especially on Constance Road and Hagley Park, where people are walking adjacent to the trenches. You see it. Students going to school. Because of the traffic congestion, many people are not deciding just to walk.
Meanwhile, the leadership of the local quantity surveyors group is speaking out on issues facing the profession. Part of their job is to provide guidance on budget to industry players. They feel if certain proposals stand, the profession's relevance will diminish.
The Draft Building Act did not recognize quantity surveyors as building professionals, but rather as building practitioners, relegating qualified and trained professionals. We indicated that this proposal under the Draft Act was thereby relegating quantity surveyors to the same category as construction workers.
They are therefore seeking talks with the relevant authorities, including the local government minister, on the matter. DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.